how to use the product title in the Beae website builder. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can use the product title feature in the Beae website builder. So as soon as you guys have opened up the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see. From the left side, click on elements. After that, you guys are gonna see all the different product options over here. Simply drag and drop the title option, and then after that you guys are gonna see it come up. So now from over here, what you guys can do is you guys can just simply click on it, and on the right side you guys will have the option to modify everything about it. So now from over here you guys can add in different classes for it as well. You can also change the title's HTML tag to something more bold, something more small, something in the form of heading, or something very strong as well. You guys can modify all of that from over here. And then after that, in the style section, from over here you guys can change the alignment of the text. For example, if I were to click on this particular button, I can align the text to be in the center. I can also have it be at the very right as well. Also, I can change the text color to anything that I want from over here, and as you guys can see, the text is changing its color. And then after that, below that, you have the option for typography. So using typography, you guys can change the font type. You guys can download custom Google fonts as well, just to make sure that your website looks absolutely stunning. And then below that, you have the option to change the line height, the letter spacing as well, and also the weight of the text. You can also transform the text style and decoration as well. Then you also have the option to just basically add text shadow to the text as well, just to make sure it looks really nice. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.